Hi, Carol here from Tiny Space Health with Hannah.
Hello.
And we're going to do, Hannah's going to show you, and I'm just going to sit here and talk it through. You're going to do a backtrack, okay? Floor backtrack, quite excellent, strong, to music. Okay, so she's lying down, get ready, ice cube under the belly button, yeah? Head, nose just grazing the mat, just raising the mat. Here we go. Some music. Okay, so she's going to start with alternate arms, but she's going to wait, and she's going to do up to, down to.
Bit too gung ho.
Up to, down to. Okay. Oh, yeah, single, sorry. Single, so she's pushing out with the legs there, keeping the head down, always eye gaze down.
4, 3, 2.
Okay, put your hands together, and we're going to do swimmer with the legs. So from the hips, the movement is from the hips. Squeezing through the glutes. I'm here so she doesn't whack me, to be honest. In a little while. Okay, so if you go a bit faster, really squeeze those glutes, keep your head down, eye gaze down, nice and strong through the back. A little bit faster. That's it. Excellent. Okay, prepare to shoot the arms out. Ready? Shoot the arms. Shoot and circle round. So head comes down at the start. Shoot. See how hands come together? They've gone out here, then palms are out. Yeah? And feet are relaxed at the back. Still actually pulling in for the glutes, but shoot. Circle. Eye gaze down. But see how she lifts? She's squeezing the shoulder blades together. Yeah. You got one more, Hannah? Then you're going to go to alternate arm and leg for 2. Oh, I lied. You're going to do the locust. Here we go. Hands really pushing towards those feet. Lift the feet up. You can do it. Here we go. Alternate arm and leg. Up for 2, down for 2. Up for 2, down for 2. This is much easier than doing it myself. I'm quite enjoying this. Up for 2. Okay, here we go. Singles. Let's go. 1. Keep the head down. Really push out with those feet. Reach with the arms.
6.
It's not a very big movement in the legs, okay? It's only small. Working the glutes. Okay, swimmer. Let's go. Swimmer. Excellent. Nice little movements, all from the hip. Keep those legs strong and straight. Eye gaze stays down. Okay, hands in, let's shoot it out. Come on, shoot, circle. There's not so many this time, we've only got 4, okay? Shoot, pull it round. Doing good. Okay, so keep the hands down there, locust. Bottom, top locust. Lift those legs, full locust. Okay, eye gaze is forward, squeeze between the shoulder blades. Really push those hands down. Push, lift. And relax. And go back into child's pose. You can do it, that's the way. Have a little stretch. Oops. Here we go, that was my job. Okay, stretch it out. Be kind to yourself here. With your hips a little bit side to side if you need. Stretch out the back. Well done. Well done, Hannah. Thanks, everybody. See you soon.